Amelia found herself engrossed in a particularly perplexing problem. She was interested in the nature of atomic behavior and the fundamental building blocks of the universe. While tinkering with an assortment of materials and contraptions in her workshop, Amelia stumbled upon an intriguing revelation. As she assembled a tetrahedron using a steel triangle and 3 rubber bands, a concept began to take shape in her mind. Amelia fastened the rubber bands to the 3 vertexes of the steel triangle. As the rubber bands converged at the triangle's center, she secured them together, creating a web of tension and potential energy. Amelia held the contraption aloft, allowing the inertia of the steel triangle to stretch the rubber bands until the triangle transformed into a taut, suspended tetrahedron. As she observed the suspended tetrahedron, a realization dawned upon her. With a sudden burst of inspiration, she plunged her hand back and forth through the steel triangle, manipulating its configuration. In a swift and fluid motion, she transformed the tetrahedron, making it shift from a positive to a negative state and back again, with the opposite face being pumped through the inert vertex. The oscillation between positive and negative states, symbolized by the transformative movements of the suspended tetrahedron, bore an uncanny resemblance to the dynamic interplay inherent in the behavior of atoms. She quickly realized this oscillation between positive and negative states is the essence of the Yin and Yang symbol.